Hello guys, today we are watching my suspicious pro workplace in Csgo. Okay, let's start.
Oh, that's through the wall. That is straight up through.
Oh my god.
So at Eco.
That's Nico.
Eco the Deagle towards window.
What the fuck?
Hoping.
Oh my god.
That's ridiculous.
Oh my god.
Stop.
CPU had to come out of there, and JL's now alone. And without his teammates, without his support,
Yes.
this round once again becomes...
Oh my god, very nice game. Very clever game. Very dangerous. Oh my god, what a headshot.
Hunter.
What the?
Do we see the shot? Do we see the kill?
Yeah,
Yes, we do.
yeah,
Oh
okay.
no, the hesitation. Enemy. Oh, dude.
Oh my god. What a play.
I want a strong angle right now.
What are you doing? This is really... Is it really? Oh my god.
Actually, a little too far forward for Wonderful to even get the response. Alexi,
Yes.
what?
Very nice. Oh my god. Oh my god, fast reflex. He is very fast. He have a very fast reflex. What a shoot. What a nice headshot. Oh my god.
I don't know.
Very correct position. Very correct time. Oh my god. Very clever game.
No, this could be Kerrigan's time to shine or an easy kill.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, very dangerous moment. What a bad reflex.
Perfect crosshair placement on
Yes.
the beat,
What
but
the
I don't
fuck?
know if you could argue he was done beaten.
What the fuck?
Oh, big shot from Robs.
Yes, big shot. What a shot.
Skinland is legit.
Within goes. Oh, wow.
Oh my god. Is it really very nice shooting?
Oh, smoke pops open.
Yes.
Okay. What? That was a flick too. Disgusting. Spinks, will the smoke spam treating him as well?
Oh my god. Is it really? I can't believe my eyes.
one's even seen anyone in this round yet. Okay, well, a little bit of lady luck smiling upon Jimmy there.
Oh my god. He is very clever. Yes, okay. Yeah, what the fuck is that?
Go around to keep this comeback going. Oh, that's just no. It's the rain show.
Oh my god. What the fuck is that? Is it really? Oh my god, what a shot.
This is crazy.
Yes, okay. Oh my god. Very nice game. What a shoot. Yeah. Oh my god. Nice game. What the hell? Oh my god.
I don't even think he saw him for a second there.
Oh my god. What a shoot. What? Oh my god, bro. You cannot see anything. What a poor.
How do you get back in? I don't know if you do.
Oh my god. What a shot. What a shot. Oh my god. What the hell? Is it really? Oh my god. I can't believe my eyes. I love CSGO.
Nothing to be offered from him.
It is very huge moment. Oh my god.
That's disgusting from...
Oh dear, that's the ball.
Yes. What the fuck? Very nice shoot. What the hell? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, okay. Oh my god.
Amazing wallbang on Sim.
Amazing moment. What a huge moment. Like a Terminator. Yes. What the fuck was that? I love it. I love it, this moment. Yes. What a bomb. Oh my god. Very correct position. Yeah. He is wait. He is very patient. Oh my god, what the fuck was that?
There's no way.
Very correct and nice shoot. Yes. What the fuck? Oh my god. Very nice. Very nice. I love it. Oh my god.
He will get onto the site with.
Hello.
This is one of those moments that could get
Oh my
weird.
god. Very nice. Very nice shooting. Okay guys, thank you for watching me. Have a good day.